It's very common that when typing a lot of text, you make a few spelling and grammatical mistakes. As with many applications in the Microsoft Office product family, Excel includes a robust spell checking tool, allowing you to check the contents of your workbook for spelling errors and to fix them. While Excel does not point out spelling errors in real time like Microsoft Word does, the spell checker will fix any problems that are found. To start checking the spelling and grammar in your workbook, first open the Spelling dialog box by clicking on Review and then Spelling, or press F7. The Spelling dialog box will open, indicating the dictionary language in the title field. You can select from available dictionaries by clicking the drop-down arrow in the dictionary language field. Excel will search the active worksheet and present any misspelled or unidentified words for your review, starting from the active cell. Here the word region is misspelled and shown at the top of the dialog box. There are 3 suggestions listed in the suggestions window and several buttons on the right of the screen to control how to address the error as described below. Ignore once will ignore this particular instance and keep checking the rest of the worksheet. Ignore all will ignore all instances of the misspelled word and keep checking the rest of the sheet. Add to dictionary will add this particular word to Excel's dictionary, so each subsequent entry is listed as correct. This is useful for proper names. Change will change this particular instance of the misspelled, unrecognized word to whatever is currently highlighted in the suggestions box. Change all will change all instances of the misspelled, unrecognized word to whatever is currently highlighted in the suggestions box. AutoCorrect. Clicking this button will make AutoCorrect automatically change this instance of the word to whatever Excel feels is correct. Options will open the Excel Options dialog box to the Proofing category. Here you can change AutoCorrect options and set additional corrective actions. Undo last. If you accidentally change something with the previous misspelled or unrecognized word, click this button to revert that change and then continue checking the worksheet. Cancel will stop checking for spelling errors and close this dialog box. Depending on which cell is active when launching the spelling dialog, Excel may display an information dialog box, asking if you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet. Clicking Yes will continue the spell check, while clicking No will end the process. To check spelling on more than one worksheet at a time, press Shift, then click on the additional inactive sheets that you would like to add to your spell check. If you want to spell check all worksheets in your workbook, right-click on the Active Sheet tab and select All Sheets from the menu. When the checking is complete, click OK to return to your work.